Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Zaina and today's video we're gonna give this hutch a makeover. I already gave my piece a light sanding, now it's time to clean it using TSB heavy duty cleaner. I'm using Bondo to close all the holes that I don't need anymore and to fix the damage on the piece. For this area I did almost 3 or 4 coats till I got the smooth finish. The back was in rough condition, so I have to remove it and replace it with a new one. Giving my piece one coat of oil-based primer by Zinsser. After that, I'm using E6000 glue to glue my mold Warrington Framework only in the middle of the drawer and the middle part, and Kingsbury Medallion to do it on the doors. For the top cabinets, I'm using Road Trip is the new color by Chic paint, and I'll give it 2 coats and let it dry. After doing all that work to my piece, I'm gonna let it dry and I start working on the back part. I already measured it and it's time to cut it. After cutting it, just give it a nice smooth sanding to the edges. I'm using Forest Garden tissue paper by Redesign with Prima to add it to the back part of my piece. So for this part, I'm going to use the decoupage gel by Redesign with Prima to add my tissue paper to the back of the bottom cabinet. So the gel I'm using, it kind of dry fast, and that will give me the time or enough time to work on my piece. I start adding my Road Trip color to the edges so I can blend the tissue paper to the back of my piece, of course. I'm adding piece of wood to the drawer from the back so it can support it and stop it from sliding all the way out. With nailing the back to the piece, I'm finally done with this part and I'm ready to paint the front. For the front, I'm gonna use Liquorice, Secret Garden, and Road Trip colors by Chic paint. I'm gonna try to blend all my colors together using one brush, except for the black color. I'm using a different brush and the mist bottle. It's just water and the mist bottle. What I like about the Secret Garden color, it's not a dark green or light. So if I want it to be a little bit lighter, I'm going to add the Road Trip, which is the beige color. And if I want it to be a little bit darker, I'm just going to blend it with the black, and I don't have to use more than these colors. So if you notice on the edges, I'm already getting a dark green because I'm mixing these two colors. I mean the black and the Secret Garden, which is light green color. So for the middle part, I start adding the green, then I'm gonna add the beige on top of the green while it's still wet to blend it. I love the way these three colors are blending together. They are absolutely perfect. So I'm gonna use the same tissue paper that I use on the back of my bottom cabinet inside the doors, so they can look matching when my customer open the doors to get something from that cabinet. It will look absolutely beautiful, especially when the back of the tissue is beige and all what you're gonna see is the beautiful flowers. I'm just gonna do the same process that I already did earlier on the back of the piece. For the drawers sides, I wanted to add the Chateau de Saverny. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but that stamp is so pretty. So I'm adding a licorice color. I'm using paint, chalk paint, not the stamp ink. And I'm gonna add it to both sides. I wanted to add a little bit more, so I add the same stamp on the top if you see the picture. And for the top, I'm using white magnolia transfer, and it's so pretty, has like beautiful pretty flowers. The transfer comes as small, it's not that big, and it was perfect for the top part. So for the shelves, I didn't want to paint them. I'm just going to use the hemp oil by Chic paint to update them or give them a fresh look. And this is the final result. I know it's a long process. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks again.